This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carpenter. Beautiful bougainvillea floor plan in the sought-after enclave of the cottages at Pelican Landing. This is the perfect size second home with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, den and huge covered lanai with pool and spa. Volume ceilings, tile and carpet flooring throughout, and amazing golf course views with the preferred southern exposure. The den/office can easily serve as an overflow guest bedroom when needed. Brand new roof is being installed by late February 2024. Whether you are a golfer, a tennis player, or one of the other fun activities, Pelican Landing has the most amenities for the lowest annual HOA of any community in Lee or Collier counties. 34 acres private beach island, fitness center, canoe and kayak park, sailing club, 12 tennis courts with full-time tennis director, bocce ball, pickleball, and miles of biking and jogging trails. 36 holes of championship golf with memberships on a short wait list. Easy to play golf at the newly renovated Saltleaf Golf Course that will be public for the next couple of years, or at Old Corkscrew, among many semi-private clubs in the interim. For more information, review the details below.